Let's say that we are working on a project and I want to quickly check the progress by checking the status on each component in our product. So I want to know what files are released in our assembly and what components that are still in work. There's a great way to do that, and you don't need to have any CAD program to do so. Watch this to see how this can be done. Here is my file, and this is the assembly I'm going to check. In the 3D Play widget, I will double click the header to maximize the widget. I will click the 6W tags button, and then I will scroll down and see the maturity state group of tags. I can click the little 3 dot button and select the colorize button from there. And this will colorize the assembly based on the maturity states of the components. Really easy way to quickly get that information graphical and in 3D. Here's a different example. I'll double click the 3D Play widget to maximize it. I'll go down to the tag that I want to check. In this case, I want to check what is the last revision and not. So it's an either or thing. So here the yellow handle is actually not the latest revision, and I can take necessary action based on that. All this works very well in larger assemblies too, and presenting this information in a visual way enables me to quickly spot what I'm looking for directly on the 3D model. There are apps that lets you see the same information in a list, or I can open the file in SolidWorks and check there, but you might not have your CAD program available, or perhaps you are not using CAD at all. So this also shows how you don't have to be a CAD user in order to access valuable information on your platform. I hope this was useful. See you next time.